Hi there, I'm Jules from thestonesoup.com and today I've got another fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipe for you. I'm just going to separate my eggs so I keep the whites for baking. I've got a few recipes that use egg whites, so it's my almond burger buns are awesome. So egg yolk goes in, a little bit of salt, and then 2 tablespoons of boiling water to pasteurize the egg, and also makes it nice and just thins out the mayonnaise a bit and makes it easier for the emulsion to happen. Then 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar. You could use lemon juice or a white wine vinegar, just something not too strong that's going to dominate, but it's going to give some nice acidity. Then 2 tablespoons of mustard. And the mustard helps with the emulsification process, so it's really, you can do it without, but you get a much better result if you do use mustard. And then we've got our oil, and the reason I'm making mayo in this jug is just because it's easy to measure out the oil. So wherever you're at, you want to add a cup on top of that. So great, and then we're good to go. So just get the stick blender in, and it's important for your jar, whatever you're making it in, to be fairly tall so that the emulsification happens with the blender. So we just in the bottom, and then just gradually pulling. And there you have it, mayo, amazing. And if you'd like it a bit thicker than that, you can add some more oil, or if you find that it's too thick for what you'd like, then add some water. So if you enjoyed this recipe, come on over to my blog. It's thestonesoup.com, and you can download a free ebook filled with simple recipes just like this one.